Today is Saturday, November 11th. This transmission has 214, let's say 215 already, 1,000 miles on it. And second gear is finally letting go. I think the gears are still good. Second gear still engages. It's just noisy. I don't know if you can hear the transmission. It's knocking a little bit. I clutch in, it stops. All gears engage. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse. All the gears engaged. Second gear grows, but it's noisy. It's not making justice here, but it is knocking. All other gears drive good. Right now I am driving it 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this transmission has to come out, unfortunately. And thankfully, I have a donor. This is the stock K20 Z3 transmission. This has seen 3 engines already. I think it's time it let go. We're gonna pull this engine out from this 9 gen Civic Si. This is the K24 Z7. There's a couple of mods that need to be done to this transmission in order for that to fit into mine, but we're gonna take care of it. From the research I've done, the gears are longer, which is perfect because I want to go supercharged, so I need longer gears. So that's kind of why I want to go with the 9 gen instead of putting a stock K20 transmission back onto that one. So I'm gonna pull this bitch out. I'm gonna pull the engine and transmission out, so that way I have that K24 sitting on a stand somewhere just in case. I'm gonna do that this weekend. Then next weekend I'm gonna throw it into that one. But just want to give you guys a little update of what's going on with this SI already, and my 7 Canyon run is coming up. That's why I'm kind of eager to get this done ASAP. So let's get to it. All right, I have all the axles loose. I have everything pretty much done, ready to pull this engine out. I'm gonna remove the axles right now. I'm going to drain this transmission fluid, and let's see how this fluid is. Oh, that is filthy. Damn it, this looks like the original transmission fluid. Whew. Well, as long as I don't see no metal flakes, I guess we should be okay. I think we're okay for now. OEM fucking transmission fluid, huh? Alright, and just like that, she is out of the engine bay. K24 Z7. Woo! Yeah, baby. This one does not have a tapped spot. I think it's either this one or this one. Yeah, it's gonna be this one. This one is tapped, this one is not, for the bolt for the engine mount on the agents. So we will have to tap this one, but no big deal. I already bought the adapter for the shifter cables because that 9 gens are too long for the agents, and that will get here on Wednesday. And then that's pretty much all the prep I have to do. I'm going to replace these axle seals and then she'll be good. But she is out. Yeah. All right, and transmission is out. Now I just got to get it prepped. I got to tap. I believe it's this one here, but we'll figure that out. Tranny is out. Engine is sitting there for when I need to use it. OEM axles for the win. So now all we simply have to do is wait for those parts to arrive. I'm gonna go to Honda right now and pick up some OEM oil for the transmission. I'm gonna order the axle seals from AutoZone. Maybe I should just pick them up from Honda since I'm already gonna be there. And then we gotta slap it on. That's it. Sweet. So that will be the end of this video for now until we continue next week. Alright, got the transmission here all cleaned up. Scrubbed it with some degreaser. Rear seals are brand spanking new. New throwout bearing. Got everything cleaned up and greased up. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I just have a new boot coming in. She'll be getting in tomorrow. The adapter comes in on Wednesday. We're looking good. Showing some good progress. All right, today is February the 24th. I think I was making this video in Christmas time in December. It is New Year's already, and yeah, we 2 months into it already. I've already had like 3 canyon runs. And I've been doing canyon runs every weekend. We're finally gonna pull this fucking transmission. Now first gear is sounding like second gear. So we're gonna get all this shit out of here. I'm gonna lift it on the lift. I'm going to drop the subframe. I am going to hold the rack and pinion up with my Megan strip bar. So hopefully nothing comes out of alignment with that rack and pinion. Drop the transmission, put in the transmission, fill it back up, and bang gears. Hopefully. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to start draining the fluid out. I'm going to remove all this, just so I can have more room. Probably take out the battery. Yeah, definitely take out the battery. I'm going to just make room here. Make room down there. Put the rack and pinion supported to this. Drop the subframe. Remove the axles. I'm scared, to be honest with you. I hate doing this shit. But, I mean, we got no choice now. We got no choice. Alright, I haven't been recording, but there it is. It is out. I kind of fucked up. I was not supposed to drop the rack and pinion, but I tried to ratchet strap it. It did not work as planned. But here it is. Transmission is off. And we're going to start a new one. Sweet. Alright, so I've transferred my Denton springs to this one here. The gear selector. The whole gear selector, as a matter of fact, because this one is a bit different than this one. For my 2006 Honda Civic Si, for the 07s, it comes like that. But mine's the 06, mine's the RSX style type still. But all the gears are selecting. Everything is working. Reverse is engaging. The shifter cables does not work with the 9-gen bracket. You need to use the 8-gen bracket, and you need to purchase this bracket as well. This here goes on like so, and that will give you the perfect distance you need for your shifter cables. Otherwise you won't be able to select 1, 3, and 5. So you need this bracket to get this done with the 9-gen transmission. Oh, we also need a tap. Here and here, because these are tapped and these are not, and this is where the front of the engine mount goes to, so we need to tap those. I have my little tap kit right there, so I'll tap those out in a little bit, but slowly but surely we're getting this sucker ready to throw in. Alright, so on this 9-gen transmission we have to tap this one here, like I said, and this one here to be able to mount the front engine mount to it. I am tapping it and drilling it out with 2964 bit. 2964. That's going to be the whole size that I need. And then the tap that I used is, I believe it's 1/2 inch 20. Let's see. Yep, 1/2 inch FN 20. And I was able to tap it out. And with that being tapped, the bolt is a bit loose going in there.
But once you snug it in all the way, oh yeah, sucker, it's nice and tight. And that's what we want. And that's what we're gonna do to the next one. So that's one thing to keep note. That needs to be done on the 9-gen trans. Sweet, and there it is. Both of them are tapped. Nice, heck yeah. Alright, I think we're ready to mount this bitch. Let's do it. Alright, she's about to go in. We have the rack and pinion up in place again. Thank you, Donnie, for helping me, bro. Man, I would not be able to do this without you. We gotta meet that transmission to the engine now, bolt it back up, and I still need to go to AutoZone, get new rotors, new axles, because I have all those under warranty, so we're gonna exchange those and put new stuff in here. Yep. Sweet, and we were putting on the bolts already to the transmission.
Hold up.
Yep.
You got a wire that's
pinched? No,
yeah.
mames.
Come on, let me get this shit out.
Alright, and she is in, cables are in. Now put the little cotter pins, holding it into place. Let's start with this one. So I'll drop this one. And then we just got to put everything else back on. The rack and pinion, subframe, everything. But trans is in, yeah. Alright, I got brand new axles. Passenger side is in, driver side is gonna go in. Got new rotors, got new brake pads. Shit, yeah, it's just gonna be minty. Let's get it. Almost done. All right, and I slapped on some gold rotors and some brand new brake pads. I got brand new axles, brand new transmission. Fuck, the whole front's brand new already. Shit, yeah. Can't wait to take it on for a rip. We gotta add oil though. One thing I like about this 9-gen transmission, the fuel bolt is right here. It's not in the back. Back there, like the 8-gens. The 8-gen. See, the 9-gen has it right here. The 8-gen has it right here. Ah, sweet. I like that fuel bolt. Yeah, hella easy. Like putting oil to the engine. Whee! No special funnel needed. Go for it. Goated. Yeah, boy. Alright, and she is working. She is going through all the gears. My alignment is off. Hella. But it's alright. I'll get that fixed. No big deal. Transmissions is in here and it feels fantastic, to be honest. It goes great through all the gears. I like it. My speedometer is off by like 6-7 miles an hour. Which is kind of a good thing. It makes me make sure that I'm not speeding and stuff. So yeah, it's finally done. Just get this alignment done and we're ready to throw in the supercharger. Let's do it. That's 10 miles an hour over. 10 miles an hour exactly. 86, 76 on the screen. That's crazy, but I know you can change it on Flash Pro, so I'm gonna fix that there. And that's it. I like this transmission. It feels torquey, to be honest with you. I like it. I haven't really got on it, but the little bit that I have, I like it.